What is good, guys? Tech Bro Cholo here, and welcome back to where we take awesome out of the box. Now today we're going to be talking about the new Samsung Galaxy M22. The year's finally at an end, but brands are still dropping some good bang for the buck phones. But in a sea of good, which ones are great? Could the Samsung Galaxy M22 be one of them? Here are my first impressions. Okay, no unboxing here because our unit didn't come with one, so straight to the looks. And it's looking real clean. Despite the affordable price, I'm getting a very premium vibe from its back panel. We got ours in black and it sports a subtle texture design that not only looks good but helps hide fingerprints. Plus, it feels like good quality plastic. Now on the left, we have the SIM card tray, while on the right, we have the volume rocker and the power button that doubles as a super responsive print scanner. Below, we have the USB-C port, 3.5mm headphone jack, and single firing speakers. They sound okay, but more on the tinny side, so I recommend making use of that 3.5mm headphone jack. Here's a sample.
It's not a work of luck or destiny.
Now on the front, we have a 6.4-inch HD Plus Super AMOLED display, and you are sure to enjoy good quality vibrant colors and deep blacks while watching your favorite shows and videos. It also has that nice, balanced 90Hz refresh rate for that extra bump in smoothness while using the phone, all while helping the battery last longer. Next is probably my favorite part about this phone, the shockingly impressive cameras. Samsung usually dishes out the good stuff on their pricier phones, but the Galaxy M22 did not disappoint. We have a 48MP f1.8 main camera, 8MP f2.2 ultrawide, and 2MP depth and macro sensors. The photos were gorgeous. Not only were they very sharp thanks to PDAF, but the colors were accurate and looked very natural. Everything was replicated pretty well and nothing seemed oversaturated. This is probably one of my favorite camera arrays on a phone in this price range. The same goes for the ultra-wide-angle camera's pictures, which I am very happy to say look consistent to the main shooter. And despite the megapixel difference, it's as if the quality didn't degrade at all. As for selfies, well, some had good skin toning and others not so much. And for video, it takes decent clips, so if you plan to use it for stories, vlogging, or Instagram, I believe you'll be very happy. Overall, I love the cameras on the Samsung Galaxy M22. Now, powering the phone is a Helio G80 processor with 6GB of RAM and 128GB of expandable storage. It's a pretty standard combo for the price, and overall usage should feel smooth and stable. Definitely has the power to keep up with the 90Hz refresh rate, and as for gaming, you'll be fine playing most games on either low or medium. I myself enjoyed a bunch of Wild Rift games on the Galaxy M22. As for the battery, we have a big 5000 mAh cell, which should dish out about a day's worth of gaming and photography easy. While charging that is a 25-watt charger. For the exact numbers behind the specs, including the internals, watch out for our full review. There you have it, my quick first impressions on the Samsung Galaxy M22. It's a great phone. You'll be getting reliable internals, a clean, classy design, and of course, the shockingly impressive cameras. It's a really good, affordable all-rounder for different types of users. All for the bang for the buck price of just 10,590 pesos. And if you grab it from Shopee before November ends, you can get it for 500 pesos cheaper. That makes it just 10,090 pesos. So yeah, if you ask me, I think it'll make a great gift or upgrade this Christmas season. And you can check out more reviews on Unbox.ph. Also, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Yup, subscribe because you need 250k subs. We're giving away a smartphone, so don't forget to use the hashtag #SubToUnbox. Hit the notification icon if you want to get updates when you drop videos. Once again, it's your Tech Bro Cholo, and I'll see you guys in the next one.